When installing a lithium battery system, most issues come down to a few common mistakes. This isn't a complete list, but these are some of the most frequent issues that lead to poor performance or system problems. The first is undersized cables. If cables are too small, you can get voltage drop, excess heat, and reduced system performance, especially under higher loads. Next is incorrect charging setup. Charging equipment needs to be configured for LiFePO4. If it's not, batteries may not fully charge or could disconnect under certain conditions. Another common issue is undersizing the battery bank. If your inverter and loads demand more power than the batteries can deliver, you could run into voltage sag or unexpected shutdowns. Wiring is another area where mistakes happen. Uneven cable lengths or poor connection points can cause batteries to charge and discharge unevenly. Battery placement matters as well. If batteries are spaced too far apart or connected with inconsistent cable lengths, it can create imbalance across the system. Using equal length cables and consistent layout helps maintain proper performance. Mixing batteries is also a mistake to avoid. Using different models, capacities, or significantly different ages can lead to imbalance and reduced performance. And finally, lack of proper protection. Missing or incorrectly sized fuses can leave the system exposed to faults and potential safety risks. All of these issues are avoidable with proper planning and installation. For most systems, we recommend working with a professional installer to ensure everything is designed and installed correctly. When done right, your battle-born battery system will perform reliably as designed.